Welcome to today's session. Today we'll be talking about the participants in the market. Who are those participating in this market? So let's go. It's important to know this because you want to know who else is playing in the market, because in this market we say we follow the money, right? We follow the money, and knowing who are the participants in this market will show you what to do, who to follow, and how to know the patterns in the market to follow, right? So the first participant here is the central bank. So central banks participate in this market in the sense that they periodically intervene in the market in order to control and regulate their individual currencies, right? So they are always buying or selling against their individual currencies just to make sure they have a balanced currency. They want to make their currency either stronger or weaker depending on what they want to achieve on a macro level in the economy, right? Then we have institutional investors. Institutional investors are basically funds, huge funds that pool investor funds, they are funds that put people's monies together in order to make investments in the market, and then they do all kinds of investments. Part of it is trading in the financial market as well, right? So these are basically huge funds. They have billions of dollars in many cases, and they are able to trade in this market, and they are market movers. They are some of the guys we call the market movers, right? Then we have commercial banks. So commercial banks like JP Morgan, Bank of America, HSBC, and so on and so forth, these are basically transactional participants in this market, right? So these guys facilitate trade in this market for their commercial clients. And even though they don't trade particularly speculatively for the purpose of making profit, they are still able to move this market, right? So that's very important to know that. Then we have companies. Companies are basically organizations that are in business. They are in transnational trade, transnational business. So mainly multinationals, that are manufacturing companies, exporting companies, importing companies. They buy and sell in this financial market in order to maintain their currency reserves, basically hedge their funds and be able to balance their portfolio. So they are always working in this market. And also they work in participants with the commercial banks. Then you have brokers. Brokers are like us, where you can trade on our platform, right? Brokers where you can trade on the platform and you're able to make profit on the platform, right? Vantage Markets is such a broker, right? Then you have individuals. Individuals are also known as retail traders. You and I'm a retail trader, and you listening to me right now, most likely you're going to be a retail trader as well. So we are individual traders, and what we do is we come into the market and we look at who are the parties, who else is moving the market, who else is making this money, pushing the market in a particular direction, and what we do as retail trader is we follow the money. So on the next session, we're going to be showing you when and how to trade. So I'll see you guys.